Interested in the latest metal detectors? In a world where accuracy is crucial, having the right metal detector can be a game changer. Metal detectors are now essential for various activities, from finding treasures to ensuring security. The journey of these detectors started decades ago when the first ones were introduced, changing how we explore and stay safe. Initially, metal detectors were mostly used at security checkpoints, but over time they adapted to meet the needs of hobbyists and professionals. The early models were simple, but thanks to technological advancements, today's metal detectors are more effective and easier for users. In this video, I have listed 5 of the best metal detectors available in 2024, each equipped with features that cater to different needs. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below, ensuring you make an informed decision without breaking the bank. Explore the possibilities and make your metal detecting journey more rewarding with the right tool in hand. Number 5. Nokta Simplex Ultra WHP. This one is my pick for the best diving metal detector on our list. This one by Nocta Detection Technologies comes in a sleek black color and requires batteries for power. Made with a durable carbon fiber material, it's solid and retractable down to 25-inch for easy transport and storage, perfect for diving. Included in the package is the Nokta pointer for target-focused searches, and it's fully waterproof up to 16 feet. The wireless headphone model features Bluetooth aptX low-latency headphones, offering convenience during your searches. Stay updated with online firmware updates via USB on PC. What makes it stand out is its fabulous lighting for underwater and low visibility use with LCD backlight, keypad backlight, and LED flashlight. Weighing just 2.6 pounds, it's lightweight and well-balanced, ensuring you can enjoy detecting for extended hours without fatigue. If you're into underwater metal detecting, this is definitely one to consider. Number 4. Bounty Hunter Discovery 3300. I recommend this one as best performance metal detector. It's a no-nonsense device with features that make it stand out. The manual ground balance ensures accuracy, and a microprocessor-controlled discrimination helps zero in on your target. The one-touch pinpoint feature is handy for deep seeking, and with 5 modes of operation, it's versatile for different scenarios. The 4-termin and 11-segment target identification add to its precision. Operating it is straightforward with motion all-metal, progressive discrimination, notch, and pinpoint modes. Its preset ground balance neutralizes responses to ground mineral content, and the digital 11-segment probable target ID broadens its target range. Made of durable plastic, this battery-powered metal detector is practical and efficient. In simple terms, this is ideal for accurately detecting specific targets at depth. Number 3. MIMLab X Terra Pro. Looking for the best reliable metal detector? This might be just what you need. It's a precise metal detector designed for accurately detecting specific targets at depth. With features like manual ground balance, microprocessor-controlled discrimination, and deep-seeking one-touch pinpoint, it's equipped to handle various detecting scenarios. Operating in 5 modes, including motion, all-metal, progressive discrimination, notch, and pinpoint, this detector provides versatility for different hunting conditions. The 4-termin and 11-segment target identification enhance your understanding of what's beneath the surface. The preset ground balance neutralizes responses to mineral content, while the digital 11-segment probable target ID broadens your target range. Constructed in robust black plastic, the Bounty Hunter Discovery 3300 is powered by batteries and ships in certified frustration-free packaging. So if you're on the hunt for a reliable metal detector with advanced features, check out this one. Number 2. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker 4. It's the best budget option metal detector in our list. Made by Bounty Hunter, it comes in this straightforward black color. Yep, batteries are required. It's powered by batteries. The material, well, it's metal, which makes sense, right? Now diving into the specs, the model number is Tracker 2. Nice touch with the 8-inch waterproof, interchangeable coil, good for different conditions. And it's got this dual-term discriminate feature. You can adjust sensitivity and discrimination levels too, tailoring it to your liking. So if you're into metal detecting without breaking the bank, this Bounty Hunter product might just be your guy. Number 1. Garrett A300. And the best overall metal detector in our list is by Garrett Metal Detectors. No need for batteries as it's powered by batteries and weighs just 2.8 pounds. This metal detector comes with a submersible search coil, perfect for various terrains. The package includes 3 free accessories: volume control Garrett Clear Sound Easy Stow headphones, an ACE environmental cover-up, and a 7-inch by 10-inch search coil cover. Crafted from plastic, it ensures durability without adding extra weight. This is designed for practicality, making it an excellent choice for those seeking an efficient and hassle-free metal detecting experience. In wrapping up our guide to the best metal detectors in 2024, remember to unearth incredible finds on your treasure hunting journey. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If our insights have been valuable, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button with the bell icon for a detector's dose of updates, tips, and reviews. Happy hunting!